Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a Zen master named Kung Fu. He was renowned far and wide for his wisdom and tranquility. People from distant lands traveled to seek his guidance and enlightenment. One day, a young man approached Master Kung Fu with a heavy heart. He was burdened by worries and doubts about his future. Master, he said, I feel lost and unsure of what path to take in life. Master Kung Fu smiled gently and motioned for the young man to sit beside him under the shade of a cherry blossom tree. Let me tell you a story, he said in his serene voice. Once there was a tiny seed, smaller than a grain of sand, that fell to the forest floor. Despite its size, it held within it the potential to become a mighty oak tree. But the seed faced challenges. It had to endure storms, harsh weather, and the gnawing of hungry creatures. The seed could have despaired, thinking it was too small and fragile to survive. But instead, it focused on the essence of its being, the potential within. It sent down roots, seeking nourishment from the earth, and reached towards the sky, bathing in the warmth of the sun. Years passed, and the seed grew into a strong sapling, and then into a towering oak. Its branches spread wide, offering shelter to birds and shade to weary travelers. And in its strength and resilience, the seed found its purpose. Master Kung Fu paused, allowing the wisdom of the story to sink in. Just like the seed, you possess immense potential within you, he said. Do not be discouraged by the challenges you face. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Trust in your inner strength and resilience, and you will find your path. The young man listened intently, feeling a sense of clarity and hope wash over him. With a grateful bow, he thanked Master Kung Fu and set out on his journey, his heart filled with determination and courage. And so, under the wise guidance of Zen Master Kung Fu, the young man embarked on his quest for purpose and fulfillment, knowing that within him lay the power to overcome any obstacle and flourish like the mighty oak tree.